Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suhas Survase and today's date is 3rd January 2022. Also, our today's topic is ArrayList in Java. What is ArrayList? ArrayList is a class which uses the dynamic array to store an element. The ArrayList is similar to array, but there is no size limit. The ArrayList can increase or decrease the size of an array. It is more flexible than the traditional array. There are some points in ArrayList which we have to understand. First one is the ArrayList may consist of a duplicate elements. Second one, the ArrayList can maintain the insertion order. Third one, the ArrayList is a non-synchronized. Fourth one, the ArrayList provides the random access because it works on the indexes. And last one, the ArrayList manipulation is little bit slower. After that, we know about different types of method in an ArrayList. As we know that there are many methods in an ArrayList, let's see about that. First one is add method. In this method, we can add a specified element in an array list at the specified index, so that when we add a specified element at a specified index of an array list, then the elements which are right side to element are get shifted to right side. After that, contains. The contains method is a method which provides the boolean value to us. That is, we consider a specified element. We have to compare the specified element with the elements in an array list. When the elements is matches with the elements of an array, then it gives the return value true. Otherwise, it gives false. Next one is set method and get method. In a set method, we can set specified element as a specified index in an array list, but the difference between add and the set method is that in an add method we add the element in a array list, but in a set method we replace the element of a array list with the specified element of a array. Next one is a get method. In a get method, we compare the specified element with the other elements of array and get the index of that specified element if the element is available in that array. Next one is a index of. The index of method is used to get the index of a specified element. When the element is found at that array list, then it returns the index value of that element. After that, we move on the difference between array and the array list. First one is the array list consists of a primitive and non-primitive type data. For example, consider an integer array, that is int a of array is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and semicolon. That is, this consists of a integer type which is a primitive data type. After that, consider a class. The class consists of some body. When we create an object of that class, this object can also get stored in an array. For example, int object of array is equals to, in a curly bracket, object 1, object 2, object 3, etc. But in an array list, we can store only non-primitive type data. That is object, that is different types of object and the integer value also stored, but the int value is not a integer, but it is a type of a wrapper class which is get stored in that array. Next one is size limit. The main advantages of the array list is a size it has a fixed size, so we cannot be used for the random access. That is, we cannot increase or decrease the number of elements during the runtime. To overcome that problems, we use the array list. In an array list, we can increase or decrease the element at the runtime.